Good afternoon students. Today we will try to solve a sum of 4.1 exercise. Question number 2, sum number 5. This is a problem sum of quadratic equation. Okay, let's see. What's the question is? A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. Its speed is 8 km. If the speed is 8 km/h less, then it would take 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Try to understand the question. यहाँ पे एक ट्रेन ट्रैवल कर रही है, एक लगातार स्पीड पर जा रही है, कांस्टेंट स्पीड, राइट? और वो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर रही है? एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट पर टोटल 480 किलोमीटर कवर कर रही है, राइट? एंड उसका अगर लगातार स्पीड है x km/h और अगर उसका स्पीड रिड्यूस कर दिया गया 1 किलोमीटर, यानी x माइनस 8 km/h अगर रिड्यूस कर दिया गया, तो इट विल रीच द प्लेस 3 hours. It will take 3 hours more. Okay, so what we need to find here, we need to find the speed of the train. Understand? The constant speed was given x km/h, but due to the reduction in the speed, the train have reached 3 hours late. We have to find out that only exactly. Okay, let's start with from the given statement. We'll write all this. What is given? First thing is, see this. Let the speed of the train be x km/h. अगर ट्रेन की लगातार जो स्पीड है वो x km/h. ओके, दिस वी हैव रिटन. नेक्स्ट, टोटल डिस्टेंस covered by the train. Total distance is how many? The total distance covered is equal to 480 km. Okay. Next, now we know the definition. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Same we are writing here. Speed is equal to distance upon time is equal to, implies the time will go here, replace and speed will go down. Time यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. So क्या मिलेगा हमें? Time is equal to distance upon speed. Okay. So we get what? Now time is equal to distance upon speed, and we know that distance is same 480 km, but there is a change in the what? Speed. First was what? In first case, when it was constant speed, uniform speed, time is equal to 480 km/h, for that is uniform speed. Next case, when the speed is decreased 8 km, what it will be? Time is equal to 480 km/h minus 8 in the case of when speed is decreased. Now according to the question, what is the according to question? जो कांस्टेंट स्पीड माइनस हम लोग करेंगे जो रिड्यूस स्पीड, तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? What we'll get? हमें क्या मिलेगा? We will get a 3 hours, difference of 3 hours. So what we'll write? 480 km upon x minus 8 minus 480 upon x. You will get a difference of 3. Now we will solve this sum. After solving this, we will get the answer. Okay, let's see. So now we having a 480 upon x minus 8 minus 480 upon x is equal to 3. We have got this equation. Okay, now we will solve this equation. Okay, what we are saying over here, 480 is common in both these terms. So I will take out 480 and putting in this bracket. 480 is common, and we have now got 1 upon x minus 8 minus 1 upon x into bracket is equal to 3. Okay. Now taking the LCM of it, so that we can get a denominator same. So x will shift over here, x into 1, and this will shift over x minus 8 into 1, and down will be both common, x minus 8 into x. So what we'll get? X minus into bracket x minus 8 upon x minus 8 into x. Okay, equal to 3. Let's see what happened. Is equal to 480. X minus, bracket will open, x minus x, and this will become minus minus will become a plus. Okay, so 480x minus x plus 8 into bracket is equal to, now this will move towards that side, right hand side, and it will multiply by 3. So 3 into x minus 8 into x. Okay, now 480 as it is, now this both will cancel, x and x minus x will cancel, and we'll get 480 into 8 is equal to 3 x minus 8 into x. Okay, now 3 multiplying 480 multiplied by 8, we will get 3840 is equal to, on right hand side multiplying this term, 3 into x minus 8 will become 3x minus 24 into x. Okay, now moving ahead, 3840 is equal to 3x into x will get 3x square, and minus 24 into x will get 24x. Now shifting this 3840 towards the right hand side, what will get the equation? 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 is equal to 0. This is what the required equation. Okay, that's it.